Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Sisir Sir and I am Sisir Kumar Sao. In my previous class I had discussed some about fraction and today I will discuss rest about fraction. So let's start the class. First we know how to represent a fraction on the number line. We have known fraction are general three types and what are they? First one proper fraction, second one improper fraction and third one mixed fraction. So first we will know how to represent proper fraction on the number line. I have drawn a number line here. This one 0 to 1. I have marked 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 equal distance. And proper fraction, how we will convert or how we will represent proper fraction on the number line? 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 8 all are proper fraction. So 2 by 3, 3 by 5 and 5 by 8 are proper fraction, and we have known all proper fraction are less than 1 because 2 by 3 when we take a whole part and we will divide equal 3 part and we will take 2 part. This one is the 2 by 3 and then when we will take a whole part and we will divide equal 5 part and among them we will take 3 part, that one is the 3 by 5. So like all proper fraction are less than 1, so all proper fraction we can represent on the number line from 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1 we can represent all proper fraction. So first we will take an example how we represent 2 by 3 on the number line. Here it's a denominator has 3, so how much denominator present we have to divide equally from 0 to 1. So its denominator is 3, so we have to divide equally 3 part, and its numerator is 2, so we count here from 0, 1, 2. So this part is equal to 2 by 3. Next we will take another example how to represent 3 by 5 on the number line. How much its denominator? 5. So we have to divide equally 5 part from 0 to 1. One, two, three, four, 5 part, and its numerator is present 3, so we will count 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, so 3 by 5. So in this type we can represent all proper fraction on the number line. Next we will know how to represent improper fraction and mixed fraction on the number line. Here 5 by 3 is a improper fraction, 6 by 2 is a improper fraction, 8 by 5 is a improper fraction. So all are improper fraction. So how we convert this improper fraction on the number line? We can direct represent improper fraction on the number line. So first we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So when we will convert this one, it will be 5 by 3, it will be 1 whole 2 by 3. Again this one 6 by 2 is a 3 whole part, and 8 by 5 when you convert into mixed fraction it will be 1 whole 3 by 5. And we have known in all improper fraction are greater or equal than 1. So these are 1 whole 2 by 3, 3 whole part, 1 whole 3 by 2, all are greater or equal than 1, and mixed fraction are always greater than 1. So this one and this one. Now 1 by 1 will convert on the number line. First one 1 whole 2 by 3. So how we will convert? First we will go 0 and here 1, 2, 3. So 0 to 1, then we will start from here 0 to 1. 1 whole, so we will start 1, and 2 by 3 means it is denominator 3. So you have to divide equally 3 part from 1 to 2. Then numerator present 2 will take this part 1 whole 2 by 3. This one more than 1 and here 1 to 1 and from 1 to 2 equal divided 3 part and 2 part. So 1 whole 2 by 3. Then 3. 3 means directly you can write this one is the whole 3 part and next we will represent 1 whole 3 by 5 in the only number line. So 1 whole 3 by 5, 1 whole, so more than 1 and 3 by 5, so it is denominator present 5, so we have to divide from 1 to 2 equal 5 parts, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and its numerator present 3, this one 1 whole 3 by 5. So in this type we can represent all proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction on the number line. Next we will know how to add a fraction. For like fraction we will add how sum of like fraction is equal to sum of their numerator divided by common denominator. So which are like fraction? Which fraction are same denominator are called like fraction? Suppose 5 by 9, 3 by 9, both are like fraction because both are same denominator. So how will we add sum of their numerator? So here numerator is equal to 5 and here 3. So we will add 5 plus 3 then divided by common denominator. Here common denominator is 9 is equal to 8 by 9. If 3 like fraction or more than 3 like fraction are given, so how will you add? Suppose 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 9 by 6 are given 4 like fractions. So how will you add? Sum of their numerator, that means its numerator 2, its 3, its 4, its 9 divided by common denominator. Common denominator is 6. 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 9, 9 18. 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So in this type we can add on like fraction. Then we know how to add on like fraction. On like fraction means if denominator are different, we can say those fractions are on like fraction. So now we know. Suppose 3 by 5 and 2 by 4. How will you add? 3 by 5 and 2 by 4. Here first we have to change the given fraction into like fraction. So we have to convert same denominator or change the given fraction into like fraction. So how we will convert both fraction into like fraction? We have to take first LCM. So LCM of denominator, LCM of both denominator 5 and 4 is equal to 20 because both are co-prime number. Then 3 by 5 we can write 3 into 4, 5 into 4, and again 2 by 4 we can write 2 into 5, 4 into 5, and both this one will be 12 by 20 and this one will be 10 by 20. So here we got both same denominator 12 by 20 and 10 by 20. So we can add 12 by 20 now. 12 by 20 plus 10 by 20. So sum of their denominator 12 plus 10 divided by numerator 20 is equal to 22 by 20. So in this type we can add on like fraction. First we have to convert same denominator. Then we can add sum of their numerator divided by common denominator. Next we will take another example. 2 by 4, 3 by 8 and 1 by 2 are given. 3 unlike fraction because all have different denominator. So first we have to take LCM of 3 number. So LCM of 3 number will be LCM of denominator 4, 8 and 2 will be 8 because 4 and 2 are factor of 8. So LCM of 4, 8 and 2 will be 8. So 1 by 1. So 2 by 4 directly we can add 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 2. 4 into 2 we can add. Same denominator we have to put, then we can add 3 by 8 both we multiply 1 plus 1 by 2 into 4 into 4. Next it will be 2 into 2 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8 then 4 by 8. Here we got all are same denominator or all are like fraction, so we can add sum of their numerator. That means 4 plus 2 plus 4 and denominator common denominator is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 6 plus 4 10, so is equal to 10 by 8. So if unlike fraction are given, first we have to convert same denominator or change the given fraction into like fraction, then we will add. Next we will know how to subtract a fraction. For like fraction, first we will know like fraction means which fraction are same denominator. That means we can take an example 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Both are like fraction because both are same denominator. So how will subtract? Difference of their numerator, that means 5 minus 3 and divided by common denominator. Common denominator is 8. It will be 2 by 8 is the answer. We will take another example. 12 by 16 and 9 by 16. Here both have same denominator, that means both are like fraction. How will you subtract? Difference of their numerator. 12 minus 9 divided by common denominator 16 is equal to 3 by 16. So in this type we can subtract like fraction. Then we will know how to subtract unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means denominator are different. So how will you subtract? We will take example. Suppose 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4 or 1 by 4. So how will you subtract? Here both have different denominator. So how will you subtract? First we have to convert same denominator or given fraction into like fraction and then subtract. So LCM, first for that we have to take LCM of both denominators. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8 because 4 is the factor of 8, so direct we can write LCM 8. So 5 by 8 we can write 5 into 1 divided by 8 into 1, it will be 5 by 8. And again 1 by 4 we can write 1 to 2, 4 into 2, 2 by 8. Now we got both have same denominator. Now we can subtract. So now 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Then it will be difference of their numerator. 5 minus 2 divided by 8. We will get 3 by 8 answer. Next we will take another example. If we given two number 12 by 15 and 3 by 15. then how we subtract? We have to take same denominator, we have to convert same denominator. That means we have to take LCM of both numbers. So LCM of 15 and 5 is 15. So 12 by 15 we can write 12 into 1 divided by 15 into 1. It will be 12 by 15. Again 3 by 5 we can write 3 into 3, 5 into 3. It will be 9 by 15. Now we can subtract. Now we got both have same denominator. That means 12 by 15 minus 9 by 15. 12 minus 9 is equal divided by common denominator 15. So 3 by 15. We got 3 by 15. Again we will take another example. Suppose 2 by 3 is given and 1 by 2 is given. So how will subtract? Both have same different denominator. So first we have to convert same denominator. So we will take LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now 2 by 3 we can write 2 into 2 and 3 into 2. So 4, it will be 4 by 6. Again 1 by 2 we can write 1 into 3 and 2 into 3, it will be 3 by 6. Now we can subtract both. Now we got both of same denominator or like fraction. Now we can subtract 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6, it will be 4 minus difference of their numerator, that means 4 minus 3 divided by 6, 1 by 6 answer. So in this type we can subtract on like fraction, and if the denominator is same, then also it can be subtract like fraction. Next we'll know how to multiply a fraction. To multiply a fractional number by a whole number, multiply the numerator of the fraction by the whole number. The denominator remains the same. We'll take some examples. How? Suppose 3 5 is a fractional number and we will multiply with a whole number. Suppose 8. Then how will multiply? Multiply the numerator. That means we will multiply 3 into 8 and the denominator remains same. It will be 24 by 5. We will take another example. Suppose 5 by 9 is given and a whole number 3 is given. Then how will multiply? So multiply the numerator 5 into 3 and the denominator remains the same, that means or constant. So it will be 9 and then 5 into 3, 15 by 9, and when we also convert lowest term, it will be 5 by 3. So in this type we can multiply. Then we know multiply 2 or more than fractional number. How? We will multiply 2 or more than fractional number. For that we will take some example. Suppose 3 by 5 is a fractional number and we will multiply 4 by 9. So how will multiply? First multiply the numerators, that means 3 into 4. Then multiply the denominator, divided by multiply the denominator, 5 into 9, and we will get 12 by 45. Then simplify it to the lowest term. Simplify means we have to cancel out its HCF, both the HCF. ऐसे तो 12 and 45 only one common factor, only 3 is common factor, so we can divide this one or cancel out by 3. It will be 4 and it will be 15. So when we multiply 3 by 5 into 4 by 9, it will be 4 by 15. Next we will take another example. 2 by 3 is a fraction, 1 by 4 is a fraction, and then 5 by 4 also. How will multiply? First multiply the numerators. That means multiply 2 into 1 into 5. Then multiply the denominator. That means 3 into 4 into 4. We will get 5 to the 10 and 4 for 16 to the 48. At last simplify to the lowest term. Lowest term means we can cancel out by 2. So it will be 5 by 24. So in this type we can multiply. Next we'll know what is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Two numbers or fraction whose product is 1 are called reciprocals of each other or multiplicative inverse. Now we will take some example. Suppose we will take 2 by 3. When we will multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, we will get 1. Cancel out 3 3 2 2. So 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 each other are multiplicative inverse. Next we will take 5 and what will be its reciprocal? 1 by 5. Because when we multiply 5 and 1 by 5, we will get 1. So 5 and 1 by 5 are reciprocals of each other. And when we take 1 by 8, what will be its reciprocal? 8. Because when we cancel out 8, we will get 1. So 8 and 1 by 8 are both reciprocals of each other. So reciprocal means when we multiply two fractional number and we will get product 1, then each other are reciprocal of each other. Then we will know next to divide a fraction. How will divide a fraction? To divide a fraction by a whole number other than 0, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. So 2 by 3, how we divide by 5? First we have to convert whole number into its reciprocal. So 2 by 3 then multiply 2 by 3 and multiply its 5 reciprocal will be 1 by 5, and then 5 into 3 numerator multiply numerator, then multiply denominator. 3 into 5 15, it will be 2 by 15 is the answer. We will take another example. 5 by 9 into 4. Divide 4. How will you divide? To divide a fraction by whole number, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. That's we will write 5 by 9. Then we will take and put multiplication instead of division sign, and then we will take reciprocal of 4. Reciprocal of 4 will be 1 by 4. Then 5 into 1 5 and 9 for 36. Next we will know to divide a fraction by another fraction. How will you do? Three by 5 is a fraction. When we divide 1 by 2, then how will do? To divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the divisor. So this one is the divisor. So we will multiply the fraction with the divisor. Divisor means 1 by 2. So reciprocal will be 2. So 3 into, then it will be 3 into 2 divided by 5. It is equal to 6 by 5. Next we will take another example. 12 by 16 divided by 3 by 4. How will do? 12. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the division. That means we will write by 12 by 16. Then would multiply and its reciprocal 3 by 4. Its reciprocal will be 4 by 3. And also here also we can cancel out 4, 4, 4, and 3, 4. So and again it will be also cancel out 4, 4. It will be 1. So in this type we can divide a fraction by another fraction. If you like my video lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.